Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's fine, and we are back in our hostel project. So today we are going to be making a very beautiful facade sort of it's kind of a windowed facade. It's extremely beautiful. So we are going to be making that for that, and we are going to be pasting it on this pattern. All right, so this is our hostel project. Make sure you check this video out. Look at how beautiful our parametric curtain walls are, and look at this beautiful wave sort of a design. And I've even installed grooves, right, those classical wall grooves. We may not be able to see it right here, but make sure you check that video out. The grooves that classical houses have, so it's very interesting. And today let's quickly get started. So much talking. So we're going to be using the curtain panel based template, and then we're going to import it back to our original project. So let's click on that. Let's go to this, and we are going to be using the half step. Let's press UN, and now let's go to two decimal places. So let me speed up. So the first thing is, of course, let's go to the points. Let's go to the face, and let's paste one right here. Okay, let's press MD, and fine, that's fine. Let's press MDDDD. So did we paste 2 points? Yes, we pasted 2 points. Okay, so click on that. Let's change this into a controllable parameter. So this is going to be the one Hori offset. Very weird and funny names. Okay, so let's press OK, and fine. After that, let's go to the points again. Let's go to the base. Let's go to the set, and let's set on the top because we kind of need a vertical offset. Let's go to MD. Let's click on that point, and let's change the offset into a controllable parameter. So this is going to be the second vertical offset. The names can be anything as long as you can differentiate it by yourself in the end. And oh my god, I'm not talking so fast. So this is going to be what, 400 mm. That's fine, we can change it. All right, perfect. After that, let's click on the, and what, did we change the size of our main? No, we did not. So the size of this is going to be 1000 by 500, right? So I think it's fine, right? Makes kind of sense. After that, let's click excuse me, let's click on this point. Let's click on this point. I'm sorry for my sore throat, guys. And let's copy. Let's do that again, copy, and alright, perfect. Let's click on MD, let's click on this point, let's go to pickup host, let's paste it at this point. That's fine. Let's click on this point, and let's go to the opposite, and perfect. Alright, and for example, this one right here, let's give it a rotation of 180, and yes, here you go. Alright, perfect. After that, let's go to the points right here, let's go to the face right here, let's go to the set right here, and let's go to points and the face and the set, and let's set and paste. Okay, and another one is gonna be set and tap and paste. Fine. Okay, after that, let's click on MD, let's click on that point, and let's change this into a controllable parameter. So this is gonna be the 3RD third Hori and offset, third horizontal excuse me, third horizontal offset, and let's give it an offset of for example 500. It can be anything, right? So okay, where is that point? Let's give it 400. Okay, that is a point. So let's go back to our, and we even need to give this the same offset, which is going to be from this one to third horizontal offset. And let's press OK, and perfect. Right, now for this one, how do we deal with this one? Let's go to a new one. So this is going to be the 3RD third offset minus, third offset minus, and the value of this is going to be Control and C, bring it right here, Control and V, and attach a minus sign, right here. Let's press enter. What? Let's try to delete that. So that is copied, right? Let's go to minus and Control V, and let's press enter. Yes. So perfect. Now let's click on this point right here, and let's go to this one, and this is going to be the third offset minus, and yes, here you go, guys. So very fun, very interesting, and this is the shape that we had, right? Let's do the same for this one. So let's go to the point. So let's go to the set right here. Let's set, and it has to be on the top, and paste. Fine. Modify. Click on that offset. Let's go to this point right here. Let's change it into the second vertical offset. Do you guys remember? So the second vertical offset, this can be 500 or 600 or anything, right? So that is perfect. So our overall shape is guys already made. Now let's click on this point. Let's click on this point, and this is going to be spline, and it's going to be run to a reference line. Let's click on this point right here, and let's click on this point right here, and this is going to be the change it into a reference line. And let's click on this point right here, let's click on this point right here, let's go to spline and reference line, and let's click on this point right here, let's click on this point right here, and it's going to be and this is going to be the reference line. And this is what we have, right? Let's change this into a frame. So this is going to be the frame. Let's give it an offset of 2 inches, for example. Okay, yes, perfect. All right, so it can even be less, that's fine. For example, 30 mm. Let's press OK, and here you go, 30 mm. All right, now this is the bottom frame, right? So let's click on the bottom frame, and so it's completely parametric, right? For example, this is the vertical offset. If you change this to 0.8 and it is go towards the right, yes, okay, so it's completely parametric. After that, let's click on this point right here, let's go to create form, let's place a simple one, let's press tab, and let's select and just change this into come on, this is going to be the GLASS. So let's change this into a glass. After that, let's paste another point right here, let's go to the face, and let's paste a point. Let's go to the MD, and let me go back to my battery, and let's go to best performance, and this is a point that we paste. Let's go to a circle, let's go to the set, let's set this, let's grab the circle, and let's grab that, let's why am I grabbing so many things? Let's go to this, and this is our main frame. Let's press tab, let's select the frame, let's go to the materials right here, and let's go to CHROME, and let's go to this point right here, let's go to user independence, let's press OK, and here you go, guys. So this is our overall, or you could say our beautiful frame, and it is already complete, right? And this is completely, you could say, parametric. So for example, if we go to this point and we give it a 0.5 right here, and we press OK, and here you go, right? So this is our main frame. Let's go to realistic, and this is what we have. So as far as this material is concerned, let's change this into a controllable parameter. This is going to be the frame top. Why are my names so unprofessional? So the frame's top body, that's fine, and that is the bottom frame, this is the top body. After that, let's go to this point right here, and this is the first type, right? So type 1, in type 1 we can change this material to, for example, red. Perfect. So this is type 1, guys, remember, and in this case this value can be what, 0.2, and second offset, this can be 600, and let's press OK, and here you go. After that, let's go back to this point, let's go to this, and let's make another type. And another type, this one has to be BLUE, so this is going to be the blue, and in this one, so it's going to be a blue and a red, right? And there are going to be variations, and in this case, let's change this value to 0.5, and let's press OK, and here you go. And let's go again back to this, and let's go to type number 3. In type number 3, this can be 0.8 right here, and this material right here can be anything, something else. Shiny metal. Excuse me. So it can be white, or you know what? I don't know why I'm in the mood for some purple. PUR what? Nothing. So METAL. You know what? We can even righty, but that is going to change. Okay, let's that's fine. Aluminum. And we can change the material of this. For example, if we go back to that for the color, we can go for something purpley. Let's press OK, and let's press OK right here. Let's press OK, and so now let's just load it into the project. This is going to be the window facade. So let's go back to our, you could say, our 2 patterns that we have made. Let's go to this, and it is already loaded, right? So let's go to level 1. And this is it, guys. Look at how beautiful both of our facades are. For example, if we go to third type, and okay, it is the other way around. How about you go to flip? Yes, and this is it, guys. So and it's completely parametric. For example, if we select one of them, and if we go to level 2, let's try to go to realistic right here, and that would change, right? So this one changed right here. If you go to this, and if you go to level 3, and that is going to be the level 3, right? So the purple, the red, and the blue. So this is the final facade. Let's go to the finish mask, and let's see this. So guys, I think in fact that would be it, right? This is the final product, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this, right? This is the beautiful, you could say, the window facade. I think that's the right name of it. There's a you know a glass and a chrome frame inside, and there's a beautiful aluminum, shiny aluminum metal sort of a frame which is popping out. So have a good day. Take care of yourself, and bye bye. This is the final product, right? Take care of yourself, guys.